Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Brooke if you're new here. In today's video, I'm going to be recreating this picture of Kendall Jenner's makeup. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and also leave a comment down below and turn on your post notifications so you never miss when I upload. And if you want to see me recreating Kendall Jenner's makeup, then please just keep on watching. For my primer today, I'm going to be using Benefit Professional because we don't want to have any pores or any makeup going into our pores. That would look gross. So I'm going to put that like mainly where my pores are the biggest, which is right here. And then I'm going to be using my IT Cosmetics CC cream in the shade medium. And I'm just going to take 2 pumps of that, put it all over my face. And then I'm just going to go over that with my beauty blender. Kendall's makeup is really like highlighted in the center of her face, so we're gonna be taking my NARS concealer and just like highlighting this whole area. You know what I mean? And then just blending that out with a beauty blender. Set my face today, I am going to be taking my Coty Airspun face powder, this one, and setting my concealer and stuff. Now I'm going to be taking my Maybelline Fit Me Set and Smooth face powder. I thought that was like the whole pan. Anyway, I'm just going to be setting the rest of my face with this. Now I'm going to be taking my Anastasia Contour Kit. I'm going to be taking this shade Havana and kind of contouring and bronzing my face at the same time and keep it pretty defined. Looks like she takes it up onto her temples, so that's what we're going to do. And I'm also just going to be taking that on a blending brush. Her eye look is super simple, so I'm just going to blend that in my outer corner and through my crease. But I'm not bringing it too high up. And then just blending out the edges. Also just going to take some of this banana shade right here under my eyes. Also very lightly gonna be taking Havana underneath my eyes too. Hers isn't too like dark, so we're just gonna do it very lightly. Moving on to finish off the eyes, she has like a gold shade on her lid, so I'm gonna just take the highlighter I'm gonna be using, which is this one, the Carly Bible palette, and I'm just going to be putting that on the inner 2/3 of my lid. And I'm just going to highlight my cheekbones with that same gold shade. It doesn't look like she has any highlighter on her nose or anything. I'm just going to take this shade, the Anastasia Contour Kit. It has like shimmers in it. Hold on, I have to see the name. And I can't get it out. The shade Sand. I'm going to be putting that in like the center of my forehead and like under my eyes and stuff. It does have shimmers, but it's just like very subtle, so you can't really notice it. I'm just putting that in like the center of my face where her face is super highlighted. I'm also just going to take that shade as a nose highlight and kind of just like put it where I would highlight my nose. Moving on to eyebrows, I'm taking my Anastasia Brow Wiz. And I'm first just going to brush them out. I'm just going to outline like the bottom part of my tail, and then kind of push my hairs down and then outline the top. of my brow and fill it in. I don't really like to touch the front part of my brow just because it makes it look more natural if it's like more sparse. I'm just gonna be taking a white cream shade to highlight my brow bone. And for my blush, I'm taking this one from BH Cosmetics. It's called Bombshell, I think, or Elegant. Looks like this. It's just very like pinky and kind of shimmery. I'm gonna put a little bit on the apples of my cheeks and like push it back. I'm also just gonna be taking a tiny bit of bronzer like down the sides of my nose because it looks like her nose is bronzed, but it's not like contoured, you know? And then I'm just going to be putting my L'Oreal Telescopic mascara on. She went pretty heavy-handed on the lower lash mascara. I'm gonna go put on some lashes and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back and I'm gonna do lips. I'm using the shade Angel from MAC. And I'm going to use my Too Faced Lip Injections Extreme. It's just a clear gloss over top of that. Then I'm just gonna set my face. And that was it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial, Kendall Jenner inspired. If you did, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and also leave a comment down below and turn on your post notifications so you don't miss when I upload. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!